Hello, I'm Agne Linge, host of L2Show, and today we're talking to Will from Mina protocol. Hello, Will.
Hello.
Hi, and we're in ETH Bogota, so I'm interested to find out what is Mina. It's focused on privacy, which is a very important topic these days. So, Will, can you say a few words, please, about Mina?
Yes, so Mina is a layer 1 blockchain with native zero-knowledge technology built into the protocol itself. We call ourselves the world's lightest blockchain in that the current state of the chain always remains a fixed size at 22 kilobytes. And we're actually just building in smart contract functionality now, which is live on testnet, which we believe introduces a lot of new primitives into how decentralized applications can work.
Okay, so you here in ETH Bogota already inviting for the builders to build on top of Mina protocol?
Yes, yeah. So we have, we're one of the sponsors for the hackathon here. We've got lots of builders building, what we call ZK apps with our programming language Snarky.js, which is written in TypeScript.
Okay, how difficult is this programming language, or is it easy?
It was designed to make it as easy as possible for any developers who know TypeScript or JavaScript to come on board and be able to leverage the cryptographic power of ZK circuits, but without having to know deep cryptography.
Okay, so making it easy.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you expect any specific applications to be built, gaming or DeFi, DEXs?
Well, we think that, the way that our smart contract platform works is that the computation happens off-chain and it runs in the user's browser. And so it opens up a lot of new use cases for privacy because, the default state is private. So we think anything that to do with verification or any application where you don't want necessarily the entire state of the application to live on to be public, anything to do with privacy should be interesting.
All right, interesting. So if a transaction happens between two parties, basically those two parties do not know, let's say, the amount of that second party. Right?
You can think about it as so the way that Ethereum works is when you're sending a transaction on the network, you're requesting, or you're broadcasting to every node a request that stores and runs your code.
Okay.
And so the default state there would be public. And with Mina, the computation happens off-chain, and you're generating a proof that the computation was done correctly, and that is what gets sent and stored on-chain. So it's just a proof that you did so correctly, rather than the actual code, and the result of the code itself.
Okay. And so how your community, how has it been growing? You are part of community lead. How has been the experience so far?
It's been great. We've been actually doing 12 meetups this year in 12 different countries.
Okay.
And we've been just meeting ZK app developers all over the world. So it's been interesting to see every new place that we go, there's people who are really interested in building smart contracts or building applications in this new way. And we're feeling pretty good about what's going to happen on our testnet, which is currently live.
Okay, and so what are expectations for ETH Bogota? Obviously, new developers, exciting
hopefully tons of ZK apps that are going to be built. We're right now focused on just supporting the hackers here and making sure that they get all of their questions answered. And tomorrow we'll see what gets submitted, but we're very hopeful.
Great, thank you, Will. So let's give a shout out to all the hackers in ETH Bogota, and yes, good luck to Mina.
Thank you.
Thank you.